Welcome to Riding Gate in Harwood. This is a picturesque, off the beaten track area within Harwood village, and the property is accessed. That's Riding Gate just there, and then you come down over the golden gravel area, and this is the section for this particular property. So the driveway area is here, so you perhaps get certainly one, maybe two cars on there, and this is the property as we look at it from the front. Now, as you may have seen if you've already looked at the photos, there is water damage. There's actually water leaking in as we speak. It's raining now. You can see that the roof's damaged if you just look up there into that corner, and I'd imagine it's similar at the top as well. So there's a scale of works, a schedule of works that need to be done on this. We'll go inside and we'll have a proper look around. I do need to tell you that I just can't get out. The garden is that overgrown at the back. I can't walk you out there, and even if you come and have a viewing, it's overgrown. I'll show you as best as I possibly can. It is a generous plot. There is plenty of space, and there's a great deal of potential. This is a wonderful area to own a property, and this has the potential to be a fantastic investment. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. Welcome inside. We stepped in through a nice front door and we're in the reception hallway. First of all, we're going to have a look at the bathroom. So it's a three-piece suite, bath with shower attachment, WC, pedestal wash hand basins, double glazed window, ceramic wall tiling, and we've got the mirror shower on the wall on that side. As we walk through the hallway, you'll begin to notice as we get into the living room, you might just hear it there, but the carpets are sodden. Now, that's because the water is coming through here and dripping down. There is buckets upstairs to catch the water, as you'll see. You might have actually just seen that drip down. So it isn't watertight. It does need a full schedule of works. I mean, there's no hiding from that. There's no shying from that, but probably that's what's going to make this one particularly attractive. I think this is my 23rd year in this profession, and I can't think of too many that have been in this type of condition when we brought them to the market. So this one is the lounge, of course. It's a nice big room. We've got open tread stairs, two double glazed windows to the front, and then a couple of steps down into the kitchen. So the kitchen ceiling has come down and is damaged, as you can see from there, but the room is a decent size. It's got fitted matching drawers and base units, but I would imagine any renovation plans will include upgrading the kitchen. Kitchen opens up into the dining area, so the property is actually wider on the ground floor than it is on the first floor, where the bathroom and the dining area is on the ground floor. Makes it that little bit bigger, which is fab. Double glazed window again, you know, you can see the condition of those there. This roof has come down, and this is the kitchen. We'll go upstairs and have a look at the first floor accommodation before we go outside. One last look at the kitchen and the dining area. I'm spinning the camera around, up at the ceiling. Okay, right, we've come upstairs, and you know, this is where the problems are, to be honest. First of all, just over the stairs, you can see this section of the ceiling has come down, and then as I spin the camera around, you'll see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big plastic bins which are collecting the rainwater that is dripping in. It's been raining this morning, and I'll just hold this here, just, you know, there's no point dressing this up any other way. The rainwater is leaking in to the property. You can see here how much it's damaged the walls and the ceiling. It's a comprehensive refurbishment project. As you can see, the rainwater dripping in on the video here. This is bedroom 3. I can't even move these to get in and show you the rest of the room, so I'll just lean round a bit with the phone. I think it's about 2.1 meters width, there or thereabouts anyway. So parts of the ceiling are missing. Come down, you can see the damage to the walls because it's just absolutely saturated. The floor is soaking. These bins are doing a job, but bits of it is missing. That's bedroom 3 that we've looked at. This is bedroom number 2, so the other side of that wall is here. You can see that the ceiling's come in as well. So plenty of work to do. You start at the roof and work down, I suppose, is perhaps the best way to look at this. This is the bigger of the bedrooms. 2 windows at the front, double glazed exposed stonework, wood laminate flooring, but you know, you can see here that the damage is done and it's going to need rectifying. The problem that we've got here is that you just can't walk out into the rear garden for me to show it off properly. So I'm just going to show it you from here. Where the green bin is, you might just be able to see it to the left. That's where the kitchen door is. Roughly it opens up there. And this garden is just overgrown. I'm going to refer you to the title plan document that will be on the advertising listing, because even if you come and view, you can't walk down there. There's, you know, if the path is just completely overgrown. But as I pan the camera up, you can see what a fantastic view it is. Next door, just in the corner of the camera, has done a wonderful job with their garden, so there's perhaps a little bit of inspiration as to what can be done. But again, there's plenty of work to be done. You can perhaps hear, if I stop talking for a second, the passing river. And I promise that is the river, and it's not the sound of water coming into the property. I shouldn't joke, I'm sorry. What I'll do now is I'll get as far outside as I can into that garden, and I'll show you what we can from sort of ground level. But this is the first floor, you know, make no bones about it, there's plenty of work to do. This is perhaps one for a builder, developer, speculator. Full schedule of works required. So I've stepped outside, and as you can see, there's not a great deal of space where you can walk out, or I could show you the length of the garden or anything like that. So do look at the title plan. At least this bit's been cut back so that we can get out a bit. This is the door. You can see that this sort of ivy was probably growing all the way over the door at one point. It does cover up a couple of the windows and things, and it continues down there. Really, really unique proposition, this one. Bit of work to do, but what a fantastic position. It's going to be auctioned. Any questions, any queries? It's Cardwell's Estate Agents, Bolton, 01204 381 281.